Application for the employer identification number? Yes. For use by employers, corporations, partnerships, trusts, state churches, governmental agencies. Now you're to go to the IRS website for instructions and the latest information. Now, Department of the Treasury Internal Revenue Service. Yeah. This might be the application for a tax ID number. Yeah. Um, Employer identification, the EIN, the employer identification number. Yeah, that's different than the TIN, isn't it? Yes. Now in 7B they have the SSN. Yeah, the ITIN. Yes, or the EIN. I just wanted to do a little comparison, if we could. Just give me the actual SSN numbers that have been issued. Yes. Were the individual still alive? Yes. And then the ITNI numbers, yeah, of the individual that applied for that, or the employer identification numbers. Now, I was wanting to sue quite a few of those that are liable. Yes. I'm going to need to have your SSN, your ITIN, or your EINs because I will sue corporations. Yes. I will sue government entities and I will sue churches and charities that happen to be mandatory reporters that think, oh, sure, we can issue this even though he didn't get any notice and was not present at the hearing. And sure, we can put him on personal recognizance for 16 months, and knowing that he wasn't in Brennan and he wasn't cyber stalking. And sure, we can use some forgeries to issue court orders or admit fraudulent evidence in the dismissal of the case. See, it seems like right now, okay, that this whole what you know what? Look at this decree of dissolution of marriage. You know what they're going to say at Social Security when I go to apply for an EIN number? You what? You want me to get a new tax ID number for a corporation, an employer identification number for a state business license? Why don't you get me the actual system where it discloses that I'm mentally ill or mentally delusional. Yes, for thinking that you had to admit exculpatory evidence when you had me arrested for a crime because there's a possibility when you go through the criminal history information of the Child Adult Abuse Information Act. Yes. Just get me all the social security numbers. Yes, cross reference that with the background checks of all mandatory reporters, all civil rights coordinators, all superintendents of all school districts. Isn't that right? Office of Supervision of Public Instruction. And then every oath, badge attorney, and all those attorneys in every law firm of the United States that happen to belong to bar associations. See, I just want a complete understanding of who you are as the individual because when I name you as a defendant, I could put I could put your social security number on the lawsuit. Yeah. I could put your ITIN number on the lawsuit. I could put your EIN number on the lawsuit. In fact, if you assign a number for every person that has a background check, I will put that fucking